To scan documents with a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can easily do this by opening your camera. Next, pick one of the lenses that you are gonna use, for example in my case ultra wide angle. Now click outside and click on this button, go to the camera settings, and you have to go for scanning process. Now make sure that you are gonna enable that document scan or text scan, and now just put your document into the frame like so. As you can see, we can find this recognition in every corner, and we have to click on this shutter button, on this icon of the scan, and as you can see, we just automatically scan document, and we get also this cool filter that will look it even more vivid. You can see the original. Now by clicking here, you can actually change it a little bit if you want. This one in my opinion looks the best, the black and white. Click to save this, and now it will appear in your gallery, so we can quickly share this with someone.